Hello, my name is Dina Kleiman. I'm a SharePlex Technical Support Engineer. Today's topic of discussion is disabling posting for specific objects. SharePlex provides a parameter, SPOPO disable object num, which prevents post from posting replicated DML and DDL operations for one or more tables. This parameter is based on the source table's Oracle object ID. You can set this parameter if the source table's data is invalid or corrupted, or for any other reason that you do not want operations for the table to be reflected in the target database. Setting this parameter prevents further replication activity on the target table until you have time to resynchronize the data or permanently remove the table from replication. The post process discards all replicated messages for these tables from the post queue, and the messages do not accumulate in the queue. Use this parameter with caution. If it is enabled and DDL or DML is executed for the source table, the target data will be out of date because the changes are not posted. If there are dependencies on the table, such as a foreign key in other tables outside the replication configuration, disabling posting will prevent the dependencies from being satisfied. To instruct post to ignore one object, first get the object ID from source. You can use the following query. Select object ID from DBA objects where object name equals my table. By default, SPOPO disable object num is off. To enable it, issue the setParam command on the target system using the object IDs of the source. For example, setParam SPOPO disable object num 9834, then stop post and start post. This parameter can be set for multiple objects. To instruct post to ignore multiple objects, first get the object IDs from the source. Then on target, configure SPOPO disable object num parameter with these objects. For example, set param SPOPO disable object num 9834, 9287, 2345, and 5879. Note that if you do not use quotes, there must be no spaces in between the object IDs. If you do use quotes, spaces must be used. To verify that the setting took effect, first look at list param modified. You should see the object IDs from the previous step. Then look at the event log for messages that this table was skipped. The messages will look like the following. Poster, table user.table object ID 9834 is disabled. When you're ready to begin posting to the target table, set SPOPO disable object num to 0 or use the command reset param SPOPO disable object num and then restart post. Remember, it is important to restart post as this parameter will be active only upon restart. Also, since setting this parameter has caused the table to be out of sync, you will need to manually resync it. You can disable as many objects as can fit into a line in the paramdb file. In most cases, the limit is about 950 characters. So the actual number of objects that can be disabled depends on the length of the object ID field. We hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Have a wonderful day and check out our other SharePlex videos.